Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you are getting this, your connection is not private, here's what you need to do. So first, what you want to do is go to these three dots at the top, and then you want to click on History, and then on History again. And then what you want to do is delete browsing data. But you want to go to Advanced and select the time range. I would recommend all time and select all of these and then click on delete data so that you are sure that the browsing history of like all time on this Google account have been deleted. Next, where you want to go is Control Panel. From Control Panel, you want to click on Network and Sharing Center. But make sure that it's under small icons, so click on Network and Sharing Center. From there, what you want to do is click on Change Adapter Settings, so you want to click on Change Adapter Settings. Then you want to click on your network, and right click and then do Properties. From there, you want to find the Internet Protocol version 4, and then you want to click on Properties again. And from there, you want to make sure that Obtain IP address automatically is select on, and that you use the following DNS server addresses, so this one, and then just press OK, and that's it. You are now safe. Oh yeah, and you of course restart your PC and then try again to see if the problem has been fixed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.